welcome back. It's Michael B and welcome to the workshop. Today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be plugging holes with dowel rods that you accidentally drilled. Well, I hope you enjoy what you're watching. Here we go. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by drilling. Actually, I'm going to use a Forstner bit. Some holes into said wood. It's a pretty nice piece of wood. Oh, I don't want to ruin it. Cool part about this is that I literally just learned this trick using what? Flush cut saw. I didn't have faith in them at first. I'm a 100% believer now. Okay. A little bit of wood glue. First I'll show you these holes. Yeah, 3 holes there. Now you can go to any craft store and get any size dowel you need. Okay, now just let it dry and we'll come back to that. Okay, so another cool trick, I'm not sure if it'll work with everyone's table saw, but it works with mine. Most of the 1x stock that I buy fits in the guide tracks of my table saw. So like for this instant, I'm going to be cutting off these excuse me, these pegs to make them flush. Okay, there's that. No more holes. Beautifulness. Then when you get done with it, you just go ahead and you sand it down smooth the rest of the way, and you're good to go. You'll never see those ever again, especially if you paint the project. Okay, so that's going to conclude this video. I just wanted to show you guys one of the new tips and tricks that I had recently acquired. Works out really well. I typically use 3/8 dowels because I countersink everything with 3/8. So if you enjoyed what you was watching, please like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you then.